Okay, so I'm cleaning the area. The greenhouse, organizing for the winter. It's middle of September. All of a sudden one day will be cold and it will be hard to work outside. So I'm gonna organize all the shelf and put the cover on, and I will see how it works. I'll take some plants time to time inside as a display, and sometimes I'll one by one take it inside and take care of them, clean them, part them, repart them, and from now on all the plants will stay outside because it's kind of get congested inside, and I think I got too many plants. I get carried away and get plants, so many plants. Other than orchid, there is so many house plants. So I'm gonna take 2-3 at a time. I put a display and then bring them out and take some other one in. I'll do like that. So this was 4-5 tiers tall, but it cannot fit tall, so I move it and make it 2-part. So now I can make it fit in there. Right now I'm just putting them in. Later I'll organize. So this one I got last year, no, year before last year with bloom, and it was bad condition. Now that I'm taking care of them, it's get a nice fat green root, and this one not bad comparing to the other ones. These are the Hoya cuttings. Last year or before, somewhere, maybe last spring or sometime, I put it in here, and this gets rooted and growing. Soon, when I get time, I'll part it separately. Look at this tuberculosis. This gets so big. Let me see if there are any peduncles. I check it quickly. I didn't see any, even if it is there. I need to check it deeply. To clean them one by one. There's so much dust on the leaf. Okay, my batter is dying, so yeah, I just need to put the cover on, but I'm not going to do it today. Maybe if I get time tomorrow, I'll do that. Okay, so this is my greenhouse, portable greenhouse, and I put everything in. So this is the entrance. I put the door rolled up, and this couple of days is cooler weather, 65, 70, 55 in the morning. So slowly I'm organizing, getting ready for winter. I put the frame earlier in the spring or last fall, I think. I think it's maybe January or something. And then I remember it was very cold when I put it. And then I forget about everything. It was as it was, staying whole 7 months. And now I have little time to organize for the winter. I had a plan for this area. It's supposed to be a real greenhouse, but it's not happening quicker as I thought. So I thought, okay, time being, I'm going to put this one on. I got this from Amazon. I think I forgot how much, because it's kind of long time I got it. If I'll check and I mean, if you go to Amazon, you will know how much it is. So I put all the plants here. There is still some to come. And I don't know, this is the first time I'm putting it in, and last year was so bitter cold. If this year again like this, I hope it's not going to be. So I'm gonna watch and see how it do, and then I'll change as necessary. Right now I just put everything in. So this is the greenhouse. I thought, let me share with you all. I put this cover about 3-4 days ago. If it is too cold, maybe I'll have to put like a tarp or something on top to preserve the heat. So I'm gonna still organize all the plants. I just put it in however they are, and slowly I'm gonna organize it. So this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.